Gonna try to restore this headlight. Sorry for the shadow. It's the angle I'm at. Let me move over to the other side so you can get a better look. Yep, that's pretty bad. So I'm gonna see if this product that I purchased works pretty well. I used it one time before. In fact, I think you can see right here, that's a somewhere where the clear kind of sagged a little bit. All right. First thing we need to do is actually wash the headlight. So we get a soapy towel and clean that up soapy. I can even feel the oxidation and texture and all that other stuff, which is fine because it does come with its own little sanding paper and oxidation remover, which is a chemical mover, not just a sander. Next step is to go ahead and deoxidize this. So it came with 4 packs of deoxidizer. It's a pre-moisturized, some chemical, and you have to use all 4. You want to get as much oxidation off of this as you can before sanding down. And the instructions basically say just use each one up, so you want to go until it's pretty fully yellow. We're not there yet. It's pretty damp too. I was thinking maybe it would run out of moisture before then, but it does not appear to be the case. Alright, so this is after the very first 4, actually the only 4 deoxidizers. So it's coming along. I mean, you can definitely see where it looks to me like some of this is inside the headlight. I mean, this vehicle is a 2007 Toyota Prius, and I'm of course recording this in 2023. It's been a great car. It's not my favorite car to drive. I've got a few, but it is definitely my workhorse. There we go. So on to step 3, which is going to be a 2000 grit sand disc that's included with the kit. Have to wet sand all this for about 2 to 3 minutes using a 2000 and then a 3000. So I'll begin doing the 2000 now, show you what I've got, and then go to the 3000. Now here's where we're at so far. It's not clear coated yet, but I still have some spots like here, over here. So I may keep going on this area. Although is that inside? I don't know. Alright. Well, anyways, yeah, so the next time will be to go ahead and clear this. Alright, so you got to make sure this thing is really, really dry once you're done. It still has that haze to it, but I have not, cleared it out yet. So hopefully that will diminish there. We'll see. Like I said, the vehicle's got a lot of miles on it, and that could be. You can even see small cracks and stuff on the inside of that. Basically, this buys me maybe another year or 2 before I have to buy the $500 HID headlight replacement fixtures. Or I could just buy the xenon or the fixtures and make the conversion myself. Well, I'm going to say I'm pretty impressed. Let's see how she dries. It says leave it for about 60 minutes. That's the clear coat on there. Let's come over here and take a look at this side. I didn't show you this. It was just as bad as the other one. Pardon the shadow. Yeah, that looks really good. It definitely will make a difference of visibility at night. That's the main reason. That's the most important part. Cool. Well, damn. That came out really well. Those things looked awful. Well worth that. It's a Cerakote, I think. Cerakote, something like that.